Right, morning guys and girls. As you can see, or not, I hope you can, a fox has pissed all over my bike. I don't want it, spinning round and round and round and spraying piss all over me. So first thing this morning, I got to disinfect my rear wheel. So, and he's actually sprayed it up here because you can see it's starting to deteriorate the plate. Little freaking git. Anyway, that's my morning beginning with. See you on the road. Why have I got raspberry beret stuck in my head? And what is a raspberry beret? Do they mean the colour? Do they mean a beret that's made of raspberries? I don't know! As always, answers on a postcard! It's the walk-in filter technique. Last seen in Kingston. If RJ was to get a moped, this is what it would sound like. I suppose there's one advantage to it, everybody knows he's coming. You're right. Fuck. I bet that woke you up. Bet that woke you up. Oh.